Pick eggplants during the beginning of summer and enjoy them in the early days of autumn. As fall starts, increasing your intake of eggplants can help regulate body heat and alleviate discomfort caused by autumn dryness. Today, I'm sharing an extremely simple eggplant recipe. No frying or deep frying, nutritious and delicious. Let's take a look at how it's made. Start by preparing a few eggplants and cut off both ends. Then slice them into thin pieces. Try to make the slices evenly thick, about 6 millimeters. After slicing, place them in a large bowl. Add water to the bowl until the eggplant slices are submerged. Add a little white vinegar. Mix well. Soak for a while to prevent discoloration. Next, prepare some vermicelli. Soak them in warm water to soften. Then prepare some garlic. Chop it into minced garlic. After chopping, place it in a small bowl. Add diced red bell pepper. Pour in hot oil to bring out the aroma. Add some soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, a spoonful of salt, a touch of sugar. Mix well and set aside. Place the softened vermicelli on a plate and spread them out. Arrange the eggplant slices evenly on top. After arranging, crack an egg in the center. Then spread the prepared garlic sauce on top of the eggplant. Steam it. Steam for 8 minutes after the water boils. Wow, it smells amazing. A strong garlic aroma. After removing from the steamer, drizzle a little soy sauce. Add some chopped green onion. Top with hot oil to release the onion fragrance. This simple and delicious garlic eggplant dish is ready. Eggplant is nutritious, tender, and tasty. If you like it, save the recipe and give it a try. Click on my profile for more home-cooked delicacies. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.